You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, a name that is generally used in Spanish-speaking countries. The Spanish pronunciation is as Solis. There's often an accent on the I, meaning that the stress on the pronunciation is on the second syllable. Solis. Solis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.